Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be going over this little error in CLion here. It says this file does not belong to any project target. Code Insight features might not work properly. This showed up for me when I was working on this homework assignment here because I changed the name. I'm sure there's a bunch of other reasons this could show up for obviously, but that's just my case. So once this error message pops up, to fix this, you're going to want to come over here to the top right. So this was my original file name, but then I ended up changing it. So you're going to want to click on this. A little drop down menu is going to open up. And on the right side here, there's going to be these three little dots. And after you click those, another menu is going to open up. And you can go in and hit delete. And down here, another confirmation window is going to open up, asking if you want to delete that original one. You can go ahead and hit yes to that. Now our original error message here just says project is not configured. So back over here on the right hand side, there's the little button that says configure for the current file. So you're going to want to hit on that, and you can change the name here. I'm not going to change anything else, but if you want to, you can. So I'm just going to leave it code.c, apply, and then I'm going to hit OK. And now our file should be good to go. Let me go ahead and run this. Enter your age, 19. And the project doesn't work yet. I'm not done with it. I'm still working on it, but your project would run now normally, and your error message has gone away. So if this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, and I hope you have a good day.